Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to find follow requests on Threads. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your Threads account or application. This is what it looks like. If you haven't created an account yet, you just have to install Threads and create an account. So you just have to go to your profile. You just have to tap this one here and then go to followers, and then you can see here followers, following, and pending. Okay, so you can see all the followers, following, and pending here. But to find follow requests on Threads, all you have to do is simply go to this heart icon here. Then if you want to know any request or follow request, all you have to do is to simply go to this activity and click all. And you can see here all the activities, including of course, mentions, follows, and especially you can find follow requests here on Friends under activity. Okay, so you just need to do that to view the whole list of users you have asked to follow on Threads. Your Instagram followers who haven't downloaded the app yet are among the persons on the list. Thus, their status is displayed as pending. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.